Hello guys. In this video, we are going to look at how you can use my Airtel app to send money in different countries, like Airtel Burundi, Airtel Uganda, Airtel Malawi, Airtel Tanzania, Airtel Kenya. Yeah. This app can help you to send money in different countries, including Airtel Kenya, Airtel Malawi, Airtel Tanzania, Airtel Uganda, Airtel Zambia, Airtel Burundi. So let us look on how you can get this app. You just come in your Google Play Store on Android, and for those who use iPhone, they can visit my apps on iPhone. Then you just come in Play Store, in your Play Store. Then after reaching it there, you search for the app called my Airtel, my Airtel app. You can see here in the options, my Airtel app. You can see my Airtel. My Airtel app there. My Airtel app. My Airtel app. You can see here different options. Then you choose on Airtel app. On this one, this second one, this one, my Airtel app. Then if you don't have it in your phone, you can download, you can click on install, then install. If you have it, you can open it. Then you open, because I got it. Then I open. Yeah, once you open, you will reach on this dashboard. You can see your airtime balance, your voice balance, data balance, and also you can see your Airtel money here. You just put the pin. You can see, yeah, this is my balance. Yeah, then if you want to send your money outside your country, you just come here on this icon to send money. You can see this symbol of dollar. Then you click here, and then after you click there, you will find two options: to send money on personal, that is locally, and to send money on bucks, that is internationally. Yeah. Once you click on the back, you can see the different backs. For those who use Equity back, yeah, you can use. For those who use INM back, KSB back, and so on. But here, when you want to send money internationally in different countries, you will just come here on international. On international here. You can see international here. Then you click there. Here you can see send money abroad, a recipient name or number. Then here you choose your country code, like you can choose Airtel from Kenya, Airtel from Malawi, Airtel from Tanzania, Airtel from Uganda, Zambia and Burundi. Okay, yeah, that's it. Then you fulfill all the requirements. Then you click on processed. Then immediately you will receive or send the money you want. Here you just press the amount you want. Yeah, then immediately you are done with this. Yeah, the event will be processed, the action will be done. Yeah, this is it, my friend. Okay, thanks for watching.